Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the unboxing of the Oppo Enco and my initial impressions. Now here's the box. Now Oppo has launched this phone in India at a starting price of $1999 and it will be available exclusively on Flipkart starting from September 14th with an exciting launch offer of starting price of 1799 rupees. It will be available in two colors, white and blue, and we have the white color with us right now. Now the most highlighting features about these earphones would be its overall design and build. You get 24 hours battery life with the case. It's also got a low latency gaming mode, intelligent call noise reduction system, and surprisingly it's also got IP54 dust and water resistance. And still, they're truly wireless Bluetooth headset. So without any further delays, let's have a quick unboxing. So once again, here's the box. It has a pretty minimal design, just like the Apple AirPods Pro. Anyway, I'm just talking about the packaging, and the packaging definitely looks pretty cool, a pretty minimalistic design. Now on the front we have a preview of the earbuds. It just says Oppo Enco. On the sides we have some of the highlighting features, just like I've mentioned, 24 hours of battery life, binaural Bluetooth transmission, Bluetooth 5.2, low latency, and so on. On the back side we have some more information, pricing and specs. Now let's unbox it. Inside the lid we have a soft foam, that's a nice touch. Back to the box. First we have the earphones case itself packed in a plastic wrapping. Following that we have some extra ear tips and some documentation. Now back to the case, let me just remove this cover. Now this is how the charging case looks. Now let's have a physical overview. On the top we have the Oppo branding. On the front it has a groove to open the lid, and underneath that we have a LED indicator. On the back side we have the USB Type-C charging port, and finally at the bottom we have some specs and some more information. Now once we open the case, these are the earbuds with left and right engravings. Now let me just take them out. Now here's a closer look up at the earbud. On the top of the earbud it's a complete touch interface. You can use it to interact with the earbud. At the bottom it has a microphone. On the back side we have the charging pins along with the left and right engraving. Now this is how the case looks without the earbuds. Just two empty slots for the earbuds along with the two charging pins on both sides. They also have the magnetic mechanism, so you just need to drop the earbud and they auto align themselves. And the lid itself also has a magnetic mechanism, so you can just drop it slightly and it closes automatically. Well, the magnetic mechanism itself isn't really something to talk about, but it just improves the overall experience. Anyway, these are the complete specifications of these earphones. These earbuds have an 8mm dynamic driver with Bluetooth version 5.2 with a range of up to 10 meters. Each earbud has 40 mAh battery and the charging case itself has a 400 mAh battery. With these earbuds, you can have continuous music playback up to 6 hours, and with the charging case, you can get up to 24 hours of music playback at 50% volume. For calls, you can use the earbuds continuously for 4 hours with a single charge. With the case, it will be up to 15 hours. And these earbuds also have IP54 dust and water resistance. Now each earbud weighs about 4 grams and the charging case itself weighs about 37 grams. Now as for the pairing process, you just need to open the lid of the case and the earbuds enter the pairing mode. You can check out the LED indication. Once it enters the pairing mode, just search on your device in the Bluetooth section. Just do a tap to connect and you'll be able to pair with the earbuds. Now as for the controls, both earbuds have touch interface at the top. While listening to music, you can just do a single tap on left side or right side to play or pause. You can do a double tap to switch to the previous or next songs. You can do a triple tap to activate game mode. You can also touch and hold on the left side to decrease the volume, or touch and hold on the right side to increase the volume. For calls, you can just double tap to answer or end the call. Now all these controls are customizable. To control them, you need to install an app called Hey Melody on your phone. Once you open it up and select the earbuds, you'll be able to control all the gestures or actions from the app itself. Now here's a quick look at the app interface. We can change the actions for single tap, double tap, and even the triple tap. So guys, that was a quick look at the Oppo Enco. As for my initial impressions, I would say the box packaging looks pretty good, pretty decent. As for the charging case itself, it's very well designed, it's compact, it's smaller, and obviously weighs pretty light in hand. As for the earbuds, they have a pretty good design, and I really like those touch controls. I've used it for quite some time and I didn't have any issues with the touch controls. Now with that said, single touch for interaction, whether it's for play or pause music, might have issues with accidental touches. So the first thing that I did was to change controls on the Hey Melody app. I just removed the single touch controls. Besides that, everything is pretty fine. Even the audio quality on the headset is also pretty good. For more information on the earbuds, wait till my complete review. So guys, these are the new Oppo Enco buds. For a price of 2000 rupees, they're definitely a pretty good deal. So guys, what do you think about these earbuds? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you are planning to buy these earbuds, check out the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.